Samira. Welcome back to my channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to become part of the A-Lister fam. And let's get right into today's video. So, I decided, I'm going to answer you guys' most Google questions regarding black people. So I typed in, why do black people? And the options that came up were, why do black people age better? Why do black people have black gums? Why do black people wear do-rags? And why do black people wash their meat? So the first thing that I'm going to answer is, why do black people age better? So I'm going to look it up.
20 minutes later.
So it says that all signs do prove to be true that it is true that black people age better, and it is due to the amount of collagen and melanin in the skin. Melanin is a sticky pigment produced by your skin that works like sunscreen, protecting the skin from UV rays. A specific type of melanin called eumelanin creates a darker skin tone. The more eumelanin your body produces, the darker your skin will be. This is what makes the black skin age so well. It's kind of like having a natural protection, like a barrier on your skin. I am honestly new to this. I've heard the term black don't crack or black people age better, but I never knew that there was actual science to prove behind it. So this is, we're learning something together, guys. I really didn't. I never knew that it was maybe scientifically proven. And I'm not going to just run with the first thing that I read. This is kind of just for entertainment in a way, because for me to really answer that question for you guys, I would probably have to look at multiple sources. The next question is, why do black people have black gums? So I don't really have to look this one up because I already looked it up. I kind of know. Black people have black gums because of melanin. Again, just like mentioned in the previous question, it's a pigment in your skin. What makes your skin appear darker. The more melanin that you have in your body, the darker your skin tone will be. So because we have melanin in our body, our gums tend to be darker. I've never seen a light colored person with black gums. I've only seen black people with black gums, either black or a brown color. Maybe even some people have pink. But they say that, and I've looked this up way before this video, that people have black gums because of the amount of melanin in their skin. It kind of just gives your hair and like your eyes, your skin and stuff like the color that they are. Why do black people wear do-rags? I don't even have to look this one up. I can just tell you. Listen, I don't wear a do-rag, but I wear a scarf and I wear a bonnet. And the reason why is because I pays good money to get my hair did. And I don't want my hair to be messed up. Simple. And as far as do-rags, you kind of will see more men or more males wear do-rags. Why? Because of like protecting your waves and stuff like that. But I mean, I have wore a do-rag before, but I kind of just stick to my bonnets and my scarves. I think they do me right every time. But yeah, basically the whole concept of wearing a do-rag is to protect your hair from the pillow rubbing against the pillow at night, which can make your hair not wavy. It can make your hair frizzy. It can dry your scalp. It can do a lot of different things. Why do black people wash meat? That's the next question. I definitely don't have to look this one up either. The reason why black people wash meat is because, I mean, it could be bloody. It could be a lot of reasons why other black people wash meat. But why do I wash my meat? Because I just feel like that even though you're about to cook it, so whatever you think you're about to wash off really is going to get cooked off. The high temperatures is going to cook it off. But me, it's just something not sitting right with me, putting that dirty meat in my clean pot, my clean pan. It's just something about that. So yes, I will wash my meat. I take my meat and I rub it down and I wash it under the water. I really do give my meat a bath. I don't use any soap, but I definitely do wash my meat really, really, really well before cooking it. It probably doesn't do anything, and it's honestly probably a complete waste of time. But and I'm 100% aware of that, but I still do it. I'm probably not going to stop. And I honestly recommend you guys to do it. I just think that washing your meat might make it taste better. You never know. I wash my meat all the time, especially like steaks and ribs and stuff like that. Oh yes, I'm washing it, and I'm about to make sure that it's yup. Chicken, fish, I wash that too. But that is it for today's video, you guys, and I hope that y'all enjoyed this different and weird video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.